Hey, what's up, Zilliqa holders? So after a long time, Zilliqa is wake up, Zilliqa is go in the moon. So holder, be alert to after a very long time. I have give you a good news, my brother. What's the good news? I will tell you, but kindly before I get started this video, I have one request to kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much. Alright, so if we open the Zilliqa change to what's going on this time, Zilliqa chart, exactly you understand the upcoming time there is a chance to they will move upward or not. My brother, if you could see this time, Zilliqa, one of the fastest coin, especially my friend, and the start of this month, last 7 days, you can see the first week of this month, absolutely going to be positive, and you can see continuously they move upward. After a fail, they take a jump, but absolutely you can see, my friend, they again come to this average. So it's mean, my brother, so they cannot recover this change occur, but I hope sometime they will give you a good profit like that. So holders, don't see this short fail. I hope in upcoming times they will give you a very good profit now. So don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be double. So thanks for watching. Please like this video. Remember to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.